Step 4. Social media campaign. Platform strategies for 5 networks. Instagram scores 91% fit. Objectives, content pillars, differentiation, posting schedule, and tone guidance. A 30-day content calendar. 16 posts across pre-launch, launch week, and post-launch, each with copy, hashtags, CTAs, visual direction, and emotional tone. Launch countdown content. 4 milestones from 7 days out to launch day. Theme, sample posts, story ideas, and engagement predictions. 50 hashtags with branded, industry, community, and campaign categories. Plus, engagement templates for 5 scenarios: positive feedback, questions, complaints, mentions, and collaboration requests. Now, the social media post creator. This is the one interactive tool in BrandLaunch. Pick a platform, LinkedIn. Content type, promo. Visual style, photography. And type a topic. Our new sustainable soap will be launched this Easter. Sign up to our newsletter and be one of the first to get it. The AI generates a branded image with logo and call to action overlay, platform-optimized caption, 25+ hashtags, and alt text, all using our brand data, our brand voice, our brand visual identity. The Details tab shows concept, emotion, style, mood, and exactly how the image was processed. Logo placement, CTA position, font used. Every post you generate is saved to the library for reuse.